They're like a little magician getting everything done.
How do they do it?
They do like this. They have a wand and they just fix it all. But on a serious note, we are, of course, tracking Hurricane Dorian. I'm glad they didn't wait to get married tomorrow because there's a chance it could make landfall over in the Outer Banks, just where they were evacuated. This morning, we are picking up on some light showers. Kristen said she was getting reports of some wet roadways. No surprise there. We've got a few pop-up showers. They're continuing to move their way just to the north, seeing that around Chester as well as Amelia. These really aren't anything to write home about, but the winds are. Not seeing a lot of that right now or feeling it, but you will this evening, overnight, and into tomorrow. That's why we do have a tropical storm warning for areas in the northern neck, middle peninsula, and that tropical storm watch that now extends out just a little bit. So up along I-95 eastward, you are going to see the highest impact from these winds. But everyone across the Commonwealth will be dealing with winds gusting 20 to 30 miles per hour. The reason we've got these warnings and watches in place is because it's closer to the coast and it's going to be closer to Dorian. So I do anticipate us to have some tropical storm winds in this vicinity, upwards with gusts around 55 miles per hour at times. Dorian right now still far away. Category 3 storm winds 115 miles per hour, moving north right at 7, slowed down just by 1 mile per hour. I anticipate it to continue to move its way northward, then taking that much anticipated easterly turn, keeping it right off the coast, but it's flirting with that coastline. So I do anticipate the possibility that is very high to have an Outer Banks landfall around Mooreshead City. So we're going to keep a very close eye on the system as it progresses. One thing for sure, we're going to stay pretty consistent with the rain and the wind. Today, obviously, we're starting out with a few showers. We've got cloud cover. Temperatures will be topping out in the 70s, so not a big fluctuation to low 80s. And then we're going to see these rain bands moving in. The heaviest and highest accumulations will be down to our south and east because they're going to get more rain. They're closer to Dorian. And we're also going to see that same song and dance to our north and east going over into the northern neck as well as middle peninsula. But it does not exempt areas west of I-95. Everyone's going to have some rain, just some of you will get more of it than others. The newest models are indicating that Dorian's going to scoot just a little bit more to the west, so that means a higher rain accumulation for Richmond, around 1 to 2 inches, including over around Powhatan, the Tri-Cities, closer to 2 for you guys, and down to the south and east, we'll see some areas around 7 inches. So not only do you have the rain, you've got a lot of wind. The timing of this will start this evening, continuing overnight, which can be frightening to children. So make sure you tell them what's happening and just stay alert. High wind gusts continue throughout tomorrow. 79 degrees will clear out. High pressure's back for the weekend with sunshine and 80.